5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sabina, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Washington Courthouse, Circleville, Greenfield, Sabina, South Bloomfield, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Jeffersonville, Kingston, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Staunton, Good Hope, Frankfort, Fox, and Martinsville. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile marker 62 and 68. Here is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, eastern Clinton County, central Pickaway County, northern Highland County, northwestern Ross County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sabina, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Washington Courthouse, Circleville, Greenfield, Sabina, South Bloomfield, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Jeffersonville, Kingston, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Staunton, Good Hope, Frankfort, Fox, and Martinsville. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile marker 62 and 68. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Licking County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hebron, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Hanover, Harbor Hills, Martin, Thornport, Grandville South, St. Louisville, Gratiot, Toboso, Fredonia, Purity, Brownsville, Interstate 70 at State Route 13 and Fallsburg. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 129 and 142 and near mile marker 144. Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Perry County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Somerset, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somerset, Perry State Forest, Thornville, and Glenford. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County, Coshocton County, Muskingum County, southwestern Tuscarawas County, northern Noble County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Utica to 7 miles northwest of Perry State Forest to near Somerset, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, New Comerstown, New Concord, Desville, West Lafayette, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frisco. Iceberg, and Antrim. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 143, in between mile markers 145 and 196. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 73. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.